Hi guys, good morning. Happy Monday. Well, it's first day of work, it's first day of the week, and I'm very excited today. Though hindi pa ako naliligo, kasi maliligo pa lang ako. Inuna ko i-set up yung aking mini office dito sa second floor ng bahay namin. So just to give you a little bit information or how do I say it, like background about this mini office. Kasi nga, meanwhile, di ba, while I'm starting, I'm planning to just set up a little office dito sa bahay namin para I don't have to rent out, diba? Pero hopefully when things are better and greater and bigger to, you know, God's blessings and favor be upon me, then I'll be able to, you know, have a bigger office na and with more people to work with. So yan, sana ipag-pray ko yan, and I hope you guys can join me and pray for me as well na maging successful yung ano natin, yung business venture natin. And tulad sinabi ko, I am previously working in Singapore for the past 10 years. And ayun, nag-decide na nga akong umuwi ng Pilipinas and mag-start dito sa atin. And ayun, just to give you a little bit a quick tour of my mini office na sinat up ko this morning. So I have my itong ano ba to? Lamp. Okay? At ito i-zoom ng konti. Parang yung mga tinuturo ko is slightly zoom lang. So itong mini lamp na to, parang I think I find it parang nice. Saktong-sakto dito sa color ng ano ko ng table. So yeah, I got this from IKEA in case na magustuhan nyo and you find it cute. Then this artwork, itong frame na to, I also got the frame from IKEA. Pero itong artwork na to, I got this in Taiwan. So I was in Taiwan early this month. Last month. So I was there from June 1 to June 5. And when we were in one of the cities there, nagpunta kami sa art gallery, and this postcard really caught my eye, di ba? So parang feeling ko very cute. Yeah, and then of course I have my laptop here. So meanwhile, I'm gonna use my laptop to work, and you know, new set of computers kapag medyo may ano na tayo, may mga tao na tayo work as well. And yeah, para for easier work then sometimes ito for meetings, diba, dadaling ko, but sometimes it's easier also to work in desktop, so I plan to get a desktop too. And then of course I have my cup of coffee here, which I made, and I have some apple, diba? Sabi nga nila, 1 apple a day keeps the doctors away. Yeah. So and then may water, and wala pa akong nakalimutan ko to. Actually I haven't bought the lagay ng mga files. So next time I want to gonna go to IKEA or somewhere else, maybe sa palengke na lang, mas mura yata doon. Lagayin ko lang ng files na lagay ka dito. Pero itong table na to, itong office table na to, I just got this from Shopee for only 1,400. However, manipis lang siya, pero I think pwede na din, L-shape table, which is okay naman, mukhang maganda naman. And yeah, so dito ako by the window kasi nga maliwanag. And ayoko sa office kasi, sa loob ng room ko kasi baka, you know, antukin ako. And ito muna yung gagamitin kong sila, aking office chair meanwhile, monoblock. Since hindi pa ako nakakabili ng yung proper office chair. So, actually may nakita ko kagabi sa SNR. So, parang 10,000 pesos yung isang office chair. Pero malaki siya, tall office chair. Very comfortable, very malambot siya. Kaya lang, medyo mahal pinag-iisipan ko, 10K for an office chair. Parang ayoko muna gumastos ng ganun kalaki. So as much as possible gusto ko maging frugal and maging intentional yung magbigay ko ng mga gamit. So ayun muna guys, maraming salamat for watching this video, and I hope you can join me and yan, sa journey ko na to. I hope you guys can like, share this video and watch, and yeah, if you have any questions about the business venture I'm going into, please do email me at the email address I provided, and if there's any help that you need when it comes to insurance, please do let me know. Alright? Thank you, bye-bye!